What is up, everybody, and thank you for coming back to my channel. We are actually going to be going deeper into the numbers. If you haven't seen my last video, we had actually gone through the numbers and compared what is happening in the 416 and the 905. So basically we looked at the summary of the GTA, but now we're going to be taking a look at what happened in my market areas that I like to focus on. If there is a market that you are interested in learning more about, definitely comment below and let me know which city that you want me to cover, and I will be happy to create a short video for you. Alternatively, if you do have any questions regarding real estate or mortgages, I highly recommend you book a call via my Calendly link, and we can go over all things real estate when it comes to even investing. Whatever I know, I would be more than happy to share with you. In this video, we're going to be covering Brampton, Mississauga, Caledon, Newmarket. And so there's going to be a lot of statistics, and I highly recommend that what you do is you pause the video wherever you sort of find some statistics that are relevant to you, and so that you're able to absorb this. Many people don't go through these statistics the right way, or at least the way I do it. I basically look at a month over month. I think it's very significant and very important, especially if you're in the market. You're ready to either buy or sell today. Reality is that you need to know what is actually happening in the market today. You don't need to compare what happened last year, because whatever happened last year has no relevance on what is happening today. So you want to be able to take these numbers, look at what's happening. Your agent would actually need to be able to adjust prices based on how the market is reacting. It's very important. A good agent actually does recognize that and is trying to make sure that he or she sells your home at the right price where you are happy. So without further ado, let's get into those numbers and break down these cities. Before we get into those numbers, if you can, do me that favor and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, as it helps with the algorithm, and share this video with somebody that you feel may benefit from the content that I'm providing today. The market sentiment is pretty much transitioned into a buyer's market. We had seen the market sort of float in the balanced market, but we're actually starting to see that we've reached buyer's territory. Is it a good time to buy right now? In some ways it is. There are some things that you do need to be concerned about, but the main thing is rates are coming down. Home prices have also come down. The question is how low are they going to go? Brampton, Ontario, we've got now median price for all property types of $962,500. Last month we were at $955,000. So the market has actually upticked about $7,500. And if we look at what has happened in Brampton, if you look at all property types, we had 380 units that came onto the market, 1,874 units that are active listings in Brampton. And so last month we were actually at 1,771. So now you're seeing an uptick of active listings, meaning that there is more inventory, which still could show signs of a decrease. But Brampton obviously has been quite flat for the past few months, as you can even see from this chart. Let's break it down and see exactly what's happened. Detached market segment, $1,090,000, and last month, $1,060,000. So you're seeing an uptick of $30,000 there. When you look at the detached markets, you've got 203 active sales, and you have 1,023 of active listings, and 984 was the amount of active listings the last month. So increase in inventory with detached homes. Freehold towns, you've got 864,500 as the median price. Last month, 858. So pretty much flat there. In the townhomes, you had 52 sales. You've got 239 as the active listings, and 216 were the active listings for last month. So still a little bit of an uptick in inventory in the freehold town segment. We've got semi-detached now at 950,000. Last month we were at 910, up 40,000. 75 units that were sold. 219 were the active listings this month. 202 units last month. So we had a slight increase in the active listings there also. Moving on into Mississauga, Ontario, the median price now amongst all property types is $925,000. Last month we were at $976,000. So $50K decrease in prices. If we look at all of Mississauga, you had 475 sales. You've got active listings at 2,201. And last month we were at 2145, so another 56 units. Detached homes, we've got a median price now in Mississauga of 1.350. Last month 1.380, so a reduction of 30,000 there. And if we look at the detached market, you've got 160 units were sold. And the active listings 738 compared to last month's 765, so a reduction in inventory there, which is a nice sign. Semi-detached, you've got 975,000 last month, 994,000. You've got 69 units that were actually sold, 167 as active listings, slightly higher compared to last month's 151 units. Condo towns are now 775,000. Last month we were actually at 808,000. So a little bit of a decline there. When it comes to condo towns, you've got 86 units that were actually sold, 350 on the active lists, which last month we were a little bit lower at 340. So pretty flat there. We're not seeing a sharp increase in the inventory. Market that we really want to be able to see is the condo market, where everyone's thinking it's going to go bust. 580,000 is the median price right now. Last month, 604,000. So you're seeing a $24,000 decrease in condo apartments. 140 units were actually sold. Active listings at 798 versus last month's 769. So let's redo this map here for a second. Let's stop this recording. Caledon, Ontario pretty much has a dominant market segment of detached homes. So we're just going to look at that. And here you have detached homes now, a median price of 1.437. Last month we were at 1.4. So for Caledon, Ontario, with the detached market segment, we had 42 units sold. And we have 338 now on the market, and we had 321 units that were on the market last month. So we're seeing a small increase there. Caledon market since January of 2024 has already gone up almost 6.5%. So in Newmarket, Ontario, we've got median price now amongst all property types of $1,074,000. Last month, we were actually at a 1.153. So for all property types in Newmarket, we have 263 active listings, and last month we were at 285. So a reduction in the active listings, which is still a very good thing. Seeing a reduction of almost $79,000 amongst all property types. But let's take a look and see where the problems are. Newmarket's detached market segment is pretty much 1.250. Last month, 1.372. Almost $123,000 decrease in the detached market segment alone. Detached homes also, now we've got 146 active listings compared to last month's 168. Semi-detached market, 895,000 is the median price. Last month, 950,000. So again, $55,000 decrease. Only 10 sales in this segment. Freehold towns are now $1,500,000 compared to 960,000. So you're seeing a $45,000 increase in freehold towns. Only 3 townhomes actually sold in the town of Newmarket. That is pretty much the market update there. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be looking at Vaughan, Ontario, and we'll also be doing one on Hamilton, Ontario for the investor markets. If there's a city or a market that you are interested in and would like to get some information, comment below and let me know what city you'd like me to make a video for, and I'd be happy to do so. So until then, stay savvy, stay informed, stay knowledgeable, and may your investments flourish and your dreams of home ownership become a reality. And we'll catch you on the next one.